Okay, ordered pairs. What's meant by an order pair? Ordered pair, from its name, it consists of a pair of numbers, like here 4 and 8, and it's written in order. The first number always represent, yes, x coordinate, and the second one y coordinate. Let's see how to graph any ordered pair. First, use a graph paper, of course. Then draw the points on y-axis like that, 1, 2, 3, and so on. By the same way on x-axis, don't forget the origin point. Okay, let's have an example. Draw 7 and 6. How to draw 7 and 6? First, start at the origin point. Then, move 7 places starting from the origin point to the right hand side, like what's shown with the red arrow. Third, go up 6 points, and this will be the presentation of my point 7 and 6. Next, how to graph 0 and 5? By the same way, start at the origin point, then move 0 point on x-axis to the right side, so it means I'm not gonna move. Third, go up 5 places, 5 squares, like that. So this will be my point, 0 and 5. Finally, here we have the opposite. We have the point of the ordered pair, and we need to identify it. So we will do the opposite, of course. I will move from my point up till I reach here, number 4, to the left. Instead of moving to the right, like the previous examples, I will move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and count the squares. So the x coordinate will be 6. Then instead of going up, I will go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my point is supposed to be 6 and 4. By the same way, let's, yes, represent this one. By the same way, do the opposite. Go to the left 6 places. 1, or count 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 up till you reach 0. Then we will go down. Is there any down? No, because we already on the x-axis. So y coordinate will be 0. So my point will be 6 and 0. Okay. By the same way, yes, how to represent this one? Okay. Here, 2 is 0 on the x-axis. 2, the x-axis will be 2, I mean. And here also by the same way, on the y-axis, we will find 2. So our ordered pair will be, or our point will be 2 and 2. That's it. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Goodbye.